Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can translate captions of your video by adding bilingual captions to the video. So here I'm using CapCut and you'll see this is my video and it's on English. So if you want to have captions on the another language, you can just enable the bilingual captions by using CapCut. So let's just click on this captions option. Then here you need to enable these bilingual captions and then choose the other language that you want, or the language that you want the caption translate to. For example, I'm going to go with let's try Chinese. You can just go back in here and the original one is English, and now you can just tap on generate and wait for CapCut to generating both of the captions, the English one and also the Chinese one. Okay, just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the caption is generated, and you can see there are two captions on the video, one in English and one in Chinese. So that's how you can translate caption by using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.